Good day folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Thursday the 7th of June. Well, markets rallied overnight, generally on increased perception that the central banks are going to do something to stimulate the major economies, although the ECB actually left rates unchanged overnight at 1%. Looking ahead today, we've got the Bank of England meeting to start off with, where no change is expected, although there's a chance of the asset purchase programme being increased. The British press were talking earlier in the week of a £50 billion injection into the economy, but cables are currently at 155. I think it'll probably remain fairly steady for the session until then. Most of the currencies at the top end of their range. The euro's just under 126, it's about 125 and 3/4. As I say, near the top end. Later on we've got Bernanke speaking, and there's hope that he's going to discuss QE3. But the beige book has just been released, and that showed the US economy's growing moderately. So I wonder if we might be getting a little bit ahead of ourselves with any hope of any further stimulation of the economy. Certainly equities had a good day though. They were up 2.5%, and they could take a bit of a tanking if nothing gets said. The Aussie, that's gone up with the other currencies. Hasn't really looked back since the GDP number yesterday, and that rode on the back of the equity markets. It's currently sitting at 99.20. Likewise, the Kiwi, that's rallied up to 77 cents. Both look as though they could make further gains, but direction's really going to be driven by the Australian unemployment report at 11:30 later on this morning. So until then, I don't expect too much movement. The yen weakened today. That's currently at about 79.25 against the dollar yen. Really, there's diminishing need for a safe haven currency today on the increased risk sentiment. So the dollar's gone a little bit higher there. But really, everything's waiting on Bernanke later on in the day. We have to wait and see what he says, and the market will take its direction from there. Until then, I think probably fairly range bound. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the markets, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. That's really about it, but please do remember that, as usual, any outlook here is a personal view only, not meant to be used as trading advice. So that's really all there is. Have a very good day, and we'll speak to you tomorrow. Thanks.